Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the device and opening the exact app or system component to rollback. Charge to above 50% and keep Wi-Fi on. You want stable power and network. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Show System to reveal system packages. Make sure you identify the updated component, an app, Google Play services, or a system UI. This step lets you access uninstall controls or prepare for an official rollback path. Next, take the actionable rollback. For updated apps, open App Info, tap the three-dot menu and select Uninstall Updates. That reverts the package to factory version. For a full system OTA rollback, reboot to recovery or use the manufacturer's official rollback or repair tool. This is the supported path for many brands. If you must flash stock firmware, connect to a PC, install ADB/fastboot and the vendor drivers, and load the exact firmware build for your model to avoid bricking. Finally, complete the process and verify stability. After uninstalling updates or flashing stock firmware, reboot the phone and test core features, calls, Wi-Fi, camera, and notifications. If the vendor recommends a factory reset to clear mismatched data, perform it after backing up. One key troubleshooting tip: if the phone fails to boot or behaves oddly, reflash the exact stock firmware for your model via the manufacturer tool or recovery. This restores the original system image and usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.